Hello, my little friends, and welcome to our story time. Today, I'm going to read about a special little friend. This is Leo. Leo is a cat. He is small and he is red. Leo lives in a bright yellow house with a big, beautiful garden. It's a lovely sunny day, so Leo goes outside. He sees a green frog. Hello, says Leo. Leo tries to catch it. The frog jumps. Jump, jump, jump. Leo sees a blue butterfly. The butterfly flies high. Leo tries to catch it. The cat runs on the grass. Run, run, run. Now Leo is tired. He is also hungry. He goes back to the house. He drinks his milk. Now it's time for a nap. Leo finds his favorite bed. It is so soft and warm. Meow, says Leo, feeling very good. Leo closes his eyes and now Leo is a happy cat. Good night, little Leo. Thanks for listening, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories. See you next time.